Everybody's showing what they got at flea markets these days, so I think I'll show what I got yesterday. Right there. Anyhow, the reason I got it was because of this this vise here. As you can see, it's been taking a beating right there. And I didn't want to break this. This is my favorite vise. Jaws open to 9 inches. Not exactly a heavy duty one, but I like the 9-inch opening. This used to be my favorite vise right here. But those jaws only open to 3.5 inches. If I could get one of these that opened them to 9 inches, that would be my favorite vise. But it don't. And this is just your standard, probably a cheapo one, but I don't want to beat on this right here and break it, because I do like it. Anyway, back to this. This is what I got yesterday at the flea market. Now I can beat on this. The only problem is I want to do something to the top of this thing, but I almost hate to. This thing is 122 years old. It's a Fisher number 5. The number 5 means that it's a 50-pounder. And this right here is the date that it was made. 1892. And I got this thing for about $2 a pound. Which, I don't know, it's probably the going rate, but still looks to me like it should go in a museum, so I almost hate to do anything to it, but I probably will because I want to use it. As you can see, there's a few chips around the edge here. Little chip off the corner. Otherwise, for 122 years old, it's not in too bad a shape. And also, I picked this up. This must have been some kind of an advertising gimmick. It says John Deere 1937, and it's made out of cast iron. I guess you could do a little pounding on it, but I don't know what you'd want to use it for. So anyway, there it is. I like it. The only problem is, like I said, I'm hesitating on, I'll probably, I don't know, maybe take a sander. I don't want to do anything that's going to cut anything off of the top of it. I just want to take that surface rust off of there. And the rest of it, I'm going to leave it as it is. All this rusty look here, the only thing I'm going to clean up would be this surface right here. But I mean, it's just amazing to me that that's 122 years old and it's and it's in that good a shape. And you can tell it's pretty hard because you can see the way it's chipped off here. So there's your flea market stuff right there. Oh, here's another thing. I got this a couple of months ago at the flea market. Found it in a dollar bin. This is probably one of my best drill bits now. And one of the reasons is because of the way someone ground this tip. I'm going to start grinding some of mine this way. It's got a bevel just before it goes in here, and for some reason that thing really does a nice job of cutting a hole. I don't think I've ever seen that kind of a grind on a bit before, but it really does a good job. And my lathe takes a number 3 Morris taper in the tailstock, and this is only a 2, so I just use an adapter on it. But for $1, you can't beat it. And this was made in the USA, so. And then I got this old-time glass cutter. That was $1. Anyhow, enough of that stuff. So there it is. I really like that. Now I can do some pounding without worrying about breaking this. More than likely was made in China. I can't see any place on there where it was made, but I like this vise and I don't want to break it, so I got this. Unless I donate it to a museum, then I'm going to start using it.